We are delighted to unveil the future of Tableau, our bold vision for intelligent, actionable analytics in the flow of work. I'm a retail general manager named Sam, and it's my job to run a healthy business in a tough economy with thin margins. Oh hey, what's Tableau trying to tell me? This digest is everything I need at my fingertips. AI-powered, prioritized insights, and the metrics I need to run my business. Uh-oh, our inventory forecast is down. Let's drill in. Right away, I've got everything I need to know when I need to know it. We are going to run out of stock. Tableau has forecasted the future and let me know of a risk before it happens. My first question is naturally, why? What's causing this? Suggested questions help you ask the right thing and take the right next action. And look, there's already an insight. We can see that inventory for certain products is indeed running low. We are guided to the next right question. Let's break it down by region, though we can drill down in any way that we want. And just like that, we get to the next level of insight, combining human intelligence with AI. We have sufficient stock, but not in the markets where these products are flying off the shelves. Normally, I'd have to jump to some other system, sign in somewhere, find that password, and figure out how to make this change. Meanwhile, we risk losing business. We've seen and understood the data, but often we're helpless to do anything about it. Well, thanks to Tableau Einstein, we can submit that change request right here. Taking action from data is how we translate insights into value. We can take the next action immediately. And just like that, we submit the request and put out the fire in my ERP, Microsoft, Oracle, any external system. There is no time for lag in today's economy. We have to act right away. Awesome. Now it's time to discover what caused this. Sam asks in her own words, like she'd ask any colleague, what's driving the unexpected surge in demand? Tableau Einstein reveals that low inventory is correlated to something we didn't expect, social media mentions. The future of analytics is collaborative and multiplayer. In fact, it's always been collaborative, it's just been too hard to do that seamlessly or easily. Sam wants to confirm what she's seeing in the data. Is this a spurious correlation or something more meaningful? Tableau Einstein makes it easy to connect with a colleague who can help her figure this out. Now, I'm taking on the role of Kyle, a brilliant marketing analyst who gets this request and picks up right where Sam and Tableau left off. Now, this is no mere screenshot. It's a fully interactive Tableau visualization embedded into Slack with the context from Sam. Kyle replies and engages. Hey, I see what you mean. Maybe influencers have something to do with this. Let's do some quick analysis and see what's going on. That's human and artificial intelligence working together. And I can't wait to show you this. For the first time ever, launch Tableau directly from Slack. Pick up right in the same spot, same analysis, no context loss. And if you've used Tableau before, you'll immediately find this familiar. All the components Tableau users are familiar with. The marks card, our filters and pages shelves, the columns and rows shelves, and of course all of our measures, pills, and dimensions. Which means that for the millions of Tableau users today, there's nothing to relearn. See, Kyle has a hunch, right? That influencers increase demand for certain products. But when he goes to search for sentiment, he can't find that metric in the data. Time to go add that to the model. But wait, there's something new here. Workspace? What's that? Introducing the all-new Tableau Workspace, a fresh, new experience for collaborating on analytics. All in one place, everyone can work together in an expansive linked canvas. One spot to access all the tools you need to manage data and analytics, from shared, governed, secured data streams to the semantic models, metrics, dashboards, and more. The lineage view is a huge time saver as you partner with teammates. And check this out. Kyle's leveraging an existing model, and even though he can't change it due to the governance in place, he can branch his own derived version of that model. This is self-service protected by governance. It's composable, reusable, and extensible. As Kyle opens his model, Tableau Einstein recommends the creation of a sentiment metric, and that's exactly what he needs, the AI guiding him to the right tool for the job. He clicks Review, and on the right side, he sees the Agentforce for Tableau panel. This is your constant AI companion helping you do your job easier, faster, and better, no matter your role. He quickly updates the model, and he's right back in his flow of analysis. And hey, here's that new influencer sentiment metric. Available not just for Kyle, but for anyone else with the right permissions. In the process of getting his own work done, he's helping other people across the organization. Now, I could drag and drop, but there's something new here. The all-new Insights panel combines heuristic recommendations for visualizations and analysis with AI. Not just AI bolted on, but infused in your workflow. And based on our updated data model, this suggests we should explore the relationship between sentiment and digital mentions. No kidding, that's a strong, positive correlation. But to confirm our hunch, let's break this down by influencer ID. Sure enough, some of these influencers have a tremendous impact on sentiment and mentions. We'll select the top influencers here, and we see a range of familiar options. But there's something new. We can publish as a segment. This lets you create dynamic group logic usable throughout your analysis and beyond. We can publish this at the data layer, which means we can reuse it in all kinds of ways. For instance, sharing targeted messaging with these influencers' audiences. But first, let's share what we found with Sam. Turns out, top influencers with high sentiment are indeed driving many digital mentions, likely causing our spike. And Sam's got a great idea here too. Can we target them with a campaign? And Kyle is on it. But how does Kyle turn this analysis into action? With Data Cloud, the data platform that powers Tableau Einstein and all of Salesforce. And by making segments available at this level, they can be leveraged beyond analysis. We can see that our ad hoc segment of influencers reaches 3.5 million users. We want to act on this right here, right now. We want to target those followers and capitalize on this excitement. We can easily set up an activation to leverage in Marketing Cloud. We just set up a few of our parameters, give the activation a name, and put this campaign into motion. Now, fast forward a few days, and we check back in on our campaign performance. This is the convergence of Tableau and CRM analytics natively within Salesforce. Connect to any data anywhere, embed this in any application or workflow, and help everybody turn insight into action. We just filter down on positive mentions, and here's our campaign. And when I drill in, there's a Tableau Pulse metric right alongside the campaign details. Intelligent, actionable analytics is foundational to Tableau Einstein. Sam can easily follow that metric to follow the campaign's performance. So far, we've covered zero friction collaboration, intelligent reusable modeling, all on an expansive canvas for analytics. Yet, there's one thing we haven't seen. What about sharing? What about community? What about collaboration internally and externally? What if Kyle could take this amazing analysis, the semantic model, the work he's done, and make it available to others, internally or externally? We've heard you, so get ready for the all-new Tableau Marketplace. Leverage the expertise of others, share and reuse composable assets. All Kyle has to do is select what he wants to share, in this case the visualization and the semantic model. Our customers asked, make it easier for me to package, reuse, and leverage the work of others. But before we share, we need to do some validation. And now you can proactively scan for performance risks, accessibility, and even data security, all before you share. Looks like we're good to go. All we need to do now is add some metadata, a detailed description, some tags, just like you find in any CMS. Finally, we'll set a price. And just like that, Kyle shares his content on the marketplace. This isn't just dashboards or visualizations, it's data, models, semantics, an entire analytical app now packaged up and ready for anyone else to use. We can't wait to see what the community creates and shares on the new Tableau Marketplace. And check out Kyle's profile here. Can we still share for free? Of course you can. We're building a private version that any organization can use internally. And together we can make it easier for everyone to accelerate their analytics journey. So let's recap. We've seen an intelligent, integrated analytical experience, a completely refreshed and upgraded authoring flow, modeling capabilities with a richer semantic layer, and composable, reusable assets on a shared marketplace. And wait, we've got another insight from Tableau. Our inventory is healthy again and things have turned around. All of our charts are up and to the right like all successful performance should be. Thank you, Tableau Einstein.